Today's topic is respect yourself, present yourself. I'll use that. Alright, so it is always good to present yourself as your best self, not someone else, not something fake, but the best version of you already, who you already are. How you dress matters, how you go to work, and when you meet someone. Yes, so when you sit with your family or enter any space, your presence speaks before you do. So yeah, you have that freedom, but there is also something called respect, and respect for the moment, and respect for the people, and respect for yourself. Yeah, to me, I appreciate people who make an effort, and not perfection, just effort, clean and thoughtful, and but together. Yeah, and it shows care, right? It shows awareness, and it shows intention. When you dress well, you are not trying to impress, you are choosing to honor the space you're in. And it's not just about clothes. Take care of your body. Yes, take care of your skin. Yeah, and give love to yourself, and massage your body, relax your mind. Stand in front of the mirror and smile just like I am doing it. And tell yourself, I am handsome, I am beautiful, I am enough. Because how you see yourself becomes how others feel you. Even the small things matter. Smell good. Oh yeah. Stay clean. Pay attention. Yes, under your arms too. No, yeah, well, because the weather is getting warm. That's why I'm mentioning that. So don't feel offended. All right. So because the truth is, people feel everything. Yeah. Yes. So when some things is beautiful, your eyes are drawn to it. When something smells good, you feel comfort. Yeah, when someone is clean and present and well cared for, you feel ease. So why not give that same experiences to others? Yeah, your body is part of your message, and your mind is part of your present, right? Presence, and your intelligence is part of your depths. Yeah, so it is all connected. It is all connected. The whole package is you. Yeah, so put an effort into yourself, not just for others. Yeah, but because you deserve it. Yes, you do. Because when you take care of yourself, you are not just changing how you look. You are changing how you are felt. That's very important.